Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am here for the Megabyte tips, and today my topic is about what is inside the material world. Today we are looking everybody running behind the money and everybody looking materialistic thinking, and this world is a fully materialistic, but what is inside it? Inside it we can see, and we can see in a limited way. I mean that a typical frequency which Allah has made for us, we can hear in a typical frequency which Allah has made for us, and we can't see when this frequency exceeds. And we if we see that which we are not seeing, then it will be more terrible for us. We can't jinn, we can't farishta, angels, and because that need a special frequency for seeing. And when we drink water, and if the hidden gems we see in the water, we can't drink it. And therefore Allah Ta'ala, Allah Rabbul Alameen prescribed and designed this word for us for over a limited period of trial. This word is not a perfect, and when we see the material things, actually a man itself having a material form, but he can't do anything without soul. He can't do anything without perceptions, and he can't do anything without thinking. Thinking, soul, perceptions, these are not the material things. And many and so many and lots of things we can't see in this world, but they having existence in this world. And the real and major thing involved in this case, that is soul, and that are things which we can't see, This word is a very big, so big. Therefore don't believe on just material things. The material things, nothing. The last stage of material thing is energy. Energy is as well a form of soul. Therefore just believe on the preciseness of soul. Just believe the preciseness of soul, because all these material things are nothing. If someone say what is inside the material things or material world, that is nothing, that is energy, and that is soul. And just believe and just precise the soul, and just focus on to precise the soul instead of the limited material world. Thank you.